Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing the Carpuride W702BS, a CarPlay navigation system unit designed specifically for BMW motorcycles. CarPlay sent me this unit to test and review, and I've been putting it through the paces on my 2023 BMW R1250 GS Adventure. A quick transparency note before we dive in. I did receive this unit free of charge from Carpuride, and if you decide to purchase one using the link in the description, I do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. There's also a discount code down there that'll save you some money on your order. All right, let's get into it. The W702BS plugs directly into your BMW R1250 factory navigation cradle, just like the BMW Navigator would. It draws power from the cradle and uses the factory GPS mount. No bracket hunting, no cable running, no trips to the dealer to code anything in.
Well, this thing is pretty awesome once you get the audio working. The audio is nice and clear and loud. It's really different communicating with it because it has to, basically it operates like CarPlay in your car. But so far so good, I'm really liking it. It's nice and clear, it's bright out right now, and the sun doesn't seem to be bothering it. I haven't taken it out at night, but it's really nice navigation. And now that it's set up, I'm going to be going on and off the bike a number of times over this next few weeks, going on a little bit longer rides, testing a few different things and seeing how it works.
With CarPlay or Android Auto, you get full access to map navigation, calls, music playback, and text messaging via your smartphone. That includes Google Maps with live traffic and rerouting, and for adventure riders specifically, apps like OnX Offroad and Gaia GPS, things that Zumo XT simply can't run.
I don't usually mount my phone on my motorcycle. I'm not a fan of that. I know a lot of people do, but these phones are just too expensive. And if you damage it or you lose it, and if you're out somewhere, it's the most important piece of communication you have. So I prefer something like this, where you have the best of both worlds, both the communication that you can interface with it right on the CarPlay. You can text on there, you can make phone calls on there. Yes, it's got some downsides where it's burning your battery a little bit more, and if something happens to your phone, then you don't have navigation plus phone. Actually, you do have this navigation still. But it feels like it's a lot more usable. Now I am going to be, and I'm also testing OnX Offroad. I do create most of my maps within Gaia right now, but I have been testing OnX for the map creation, and I want to try to see how it is with navigation and outback use. I do like this this view with satellite view. And again, I'm so used to reaching up. My Garmin Zumo XT didn't have the Wonder Wheel support, so it never worked on it, so I never ever used it.
Wonder Wheel integration is what separates the BS model from the standard W702B. It works with your BMW Wonder Wheel. Hold the menu button up for a few seconds and the system switches to CarPlay mode. Hold it down to return to the stock dashboard. It's slick, fast, and clearly designated with BMW riders in mind.
So you wonder how you jump from here to here with the Wonder Wheel. So you see that little TFT? That means this is active. How I set that, I press this bottom button down and it goes to the TFT. If I want to select this, I press the top one up for 2 seconds. Now navigation system, which is this, is active. And that's what's going to be responding through the Wonder Wheel. If I want to go back down, just hit the menu button down for 2 seconds and it jumps back to TFT. Works great. So what's the visibility on this look like standing up? And I'd say pretty darn good. Actually, probably a little better than the Garmin Zumo XT was. Yeah, I think it's the size. This is a 7-inch screen, so obviously that's a little easier on the eyes to look at, but the angle looks fantastic. No complaints at all about that. Hello? Can you hear me okay? Perfect. This thing works awesome. Okay, love you. Bye. Now, we see the one thing that's an issue on this Carpuride. When you don't have connectivity, like I don't have connectivity right now, you're kind of dead in the water, right? The navigation will still find where you are, but if you're using guidance or if you're trying to bring something up on the map background, it's not going to do it. So this is just a little area not that far away from where I live that has a dead spot. So I came out here to test this, and sure as heck, everything's pretty dead. Now it does know where I am, it's just won't update in the background, right? It's like identifies where we are, but there's just no signal.
The real advantage where the W702BS genuinely pulls away from a dedicated GPS like the Garmin Zumo XT, it's with CarPlay. You have access to Google Maps every day, road navigation and live traffic, and for adventure riding, both OnX Offroad and Gaia GPS are game changers. Trail networks, land ownership overlays, and topographic detail with no dedicated motorcycle GPS can match. But just like you saw, one important note for backcountry riders is downloading your maps in advance with Gaia GPS and OnX Offroad before heading into remote areas. Cell coverage isn't a given off the beaten path, and pre-downloaded maps ensure that you have full functionality when you need it most. With that step taken care of, you have everything the Zumo XT offers for navigation and considerably more.
Everything works great. I'm on highway driving home from an area just outside of Calgary. It works exactly as expected.
The bottom line versus the Garmin Zumo XT. The Zumo XT is purpose-built, dedicated GPS. It works offline, has preloaded maps, and doesn't depend on your phone. The W702BS takes the opposite approach. It leverages your phone's ecosystem entirely. That means always current maps, real-time traffic, and app flexibility. The Zumo XT can't match that. A genuine BMW Navigator setup can run $1,000 and ships with outdated software and a dated UI. By contrast, the Carpuride W702BS comes in at a fraction of that cost and delivers full CarPlay functionality, live navigation, Spotify, text-to-voice, podcasts, all in real time, updated over your phone's data with your choice of apps. The trade-off, you're dependent on cell signal for live navigation. Relevant in remote backcountry, through Gaia GPS and OnX Offroad both offer offline maps. The Zumo XT's offline capability and dedicated motorcycle GPS features remain its advantage in truly remote areas. The verdict for a BMW R1250 GS Adventure rider who wants Google Maps, OnX Offroad, or Gaia GPS for navigation alongside music, podcasts, and hand-free communication, the W702BS delivers all of it in a clean, OEM-looking package that snaps into the factory mount in minutes. It's what a modern BMW navigation system should have been from the factory. I do recommend it.